Hello everyone to our YouTube channel. Beautiful, right? If you're interested in knowing how to make the best Jomelicious vanilla spongy cake, definitely keep watching. Okay guys, real quick, let me show you guys everything we're going to be needing. We're going to be needing egg, we're going to be needing sugar, baking powder, vanilla, salt, and I decided to use this butter, a bowl, a hand mixer. You can also mix this with your hand, and flour. This is everything we're going to be needing. So now let's go ahead and mix everything together. Okay, now guys, I'm just going to go ahead and sieve this out. This is all-purpose flour. This is where you sieve it. See that one little small black thing there? So that's mission accomplished right there. So first thing first, in a bowl I'm going to be putting 2 cups of sugar. That's what I already have here. This is 2 cups. So just like that. So when you're measuring, you make sure it's not over full. So you always do your measurement like this. So that's 1 cup, and this is 2 cups. As always, we are the SS farm. My kids will always be in the beauty. Butter like that. So that you guys will get the measurement right, we just go to scoop through like this in here. I love this baser, guys, because it just reminds me of my Nigeria butter that I was using to bake cake when I was in Nigeria. So this is how fluffy and luscious it looks. So like that, you see, we flatten it out. So this is 1 cup, and I'm going to measure a second one like that. So now you see 2 cups like that. So this is actually special request video for someone who has tested my cake that really love it. So I'm going out of my way to do the whole measurement thing so she will get it right. We're going to plug in our hand mixer. Bad boys together, just gently like that. I don't want to press the button yet, Ela. That's my mother. So guys, this is basically what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to mix this until we see a very smooth and creamy consistency. Then we'll roll the camera on again. So let's mix. You mix yours while I'm mixing mine. So guys, as you are doing this, you need a spatula close to you so that nothing will be left out, so that everything will be mixed. So as you're doing it, you're just basically going down like this, bringing everything in. No stone left unturned. So let's keep mixing. If it is hand that you are using, by now, by this paste that you're seeing here, you're already good to make your butter. But since I have a hand blender, let's go ahead and smooth it things up some more. Okay guys, let me zoom in it. Did you guys see that smooth consistency? Look at it. Did you guys see that? That over zoom it. This is so guys, you see this smooth consistency. I just off my kitchen light. I don't know why my kitchen light makes things red. So this is how it's looking. Now we're gonna go ahead and start. What I have here is egg. You can go ahead and use 6 egg, or use how many. Okay, let's even go ahead and measure the egg. We have 2 cups of egg here, which means in total we have 8 egg here. So what I'm going to be doing is dropping in 1 by 1 and stirring it together just like this. So 1 is in, good. So By now you get the memo. So what I'm basically doing is putting one, so letting that one smooth in, then I'll add another, putting one, let it smooth. That's what I'm going to do to the whole 8 eggs that I have here, which is 2 cups. So everything we'll be using since is 2, 2, 2, 2. So let's keep going.
I don't want to be there now.
No, Kayla. This is what we're talking about. This order. So let's zoom in it and see. This is what we are talking about. All smooth and perfect, everything well blended. So now I'm gonna go ahead and use the spatula to put everything in. Like I said before, I always do that as I am missing. No stone left on top. In here I have 4 cups of all-purpose flour. So what I'm going to be doing, I might end up using 3 cups, but I just want to measure 2 out. So this is 2 cups of all-purpose flour. That's 1. So this is 2. So now you saw me sieve it before, so I'll put that other one aside. Just in case I need more, I can always use that. It's already filtered. So but now I already measured 2 out. This is the smallest spoon, which means it's like a pinch of salt. So I'm just going to go like that. 1, like that. So I don't need too much. So that's for that. And this is our baking powder. Then I'm just going to go like this. 1. 1.5 tablespoons. I'm going to get like a baby spoon to stir it together. So now that we are done stirring, I'll bring my mix here. This is our vanilla. I normally like using 2 types. That's vanilla 1, so 2. So we use 2. That's 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract. I normally like using my vanilla extract and banana flavor. So I didn't buy banana flavor this time. So what I'm going to do is cut a bit of banana like this, just for flavor. All you need to do is smash it, like put it here and use a fork to match it. So if you like banana flavor like me, so this is how you get a flavor, banana flavor. So just smash it. But if you have the already made one, like the vanilla extract, you don't need this. So just go ahead and pour it like that. So you see, like this. So good. We're good. Just a bit. This is not banana cake, but I love the flavor it gives. So that's why I just put a bit like that. Give this a good mix. So now I'm going to be introducing our nutmeg. Nutmeg is not for everybody. If you don't like nutmeg, there is no need for you to add it. It's optional. Just the same way banana is optional. So I'm going to be using fresh nutmeg. This is our nutmeg. Some people don't like it, so you omit it. You don't like banana, you omit it. So just like that, break it in for flavor. I'm not going to be using all. So see, just like that. Go ahead and stir it back. So now let's go ahead and perfect everything like that. So now that we're done with that, we're going to go ahead and start adding our all-purpose flour with baking powder and salt. So that is 2 cups already in, so I'm going to still measure more. So this is one cup, that's making it 3 cups of all-purpose flour, so we'll keep adding. So you see, I'm stirring it to highest. So that's 3 cups all gone in. So now I'm going to get my fork spoon. So we ended up using 4 cups of all-purpose flour. So guys, this is evaporated milk. So I already have half in the fridge that I pour in here, so just to empty that one, no waste is allowed. So now see, we're just going to be needing 1 cup like so. So get your mixer ready, get it in, then start pouring it.
I'm sweet.
So now I'll put the mixer back on high and just mix it up once. One more. So now just go to hand stir it everything well with the spatula. Look at that.
I would like from you.
So guys, these are the 2 pounds I'm going to be using. Obviously, one will not be enough. But my kids love my cake, so I did not want to bake small. I want to bake what will be enough. So to prep your pan, you can just go ahead like this. Rub butter underneath. Get some flour, which is flour. Then put it there. Just it out. Boom. Our pan is well prepped, just like that. So now you don't forget, when I was doing the intro, I told you guys I already put my oven on preheat. So the oven, I didn't stop it, it has been on preheat since. So I'll do the other one off camera. Give it a stir like that, you see, not too thick, not too loose, like this. Let me do it. See, this is the consistency you need. Ryan, stop making that loud noise, eh? So now just bring it like that, pour it like so. So you can go ahead and just give it a smack like that to level up, just like that. So give this a room to bake. Then boom, let's put it in the oven. I'm going to set my oven for 350. So I just check it out, it's not ready yet. Okay guys, this is the finished look of the cake. I just brought them out from the oven. Look at that, well baked. How do you know your cake is baked? Get a toothpick like this and poke it like this in the middle. Becomes out plain, you know it's baked. Look at it, plain, you know it's baked. So that is how to know a well baked cake. Thank you so much for watching. I love you just the way you love me. Cake is ready. I will flip it when it is cold. Guys, the cakes are cold now. All you need to do is just flip it like that. See, just flip with ease. See, look at that. Look at that. So Let me flip the second one on another plate. Woman. Wow. Look at that. We're gonna be cutting it open like so. This is the inside, guys. Look at that. See? This is how to make the best, perfect, spongy, soft cake. It tastes amazing, guys. Wow. Thank you so much, SS1, for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We remain the SS Fam. Till we see you in another video. Peace.
We are
out.